Hey Hearn Group followers, it's Matt Levchenko here again with another elite vendor, and I wanted to introduce you today to Tim Crable with Page Electric out in Belton. Now, what really excites me about this vendor partnership is that we get to be in business with a lot of companies that share very similar philosophies in how we do business. And for us, it's all about relationships and people. And so I wanted to introduce you to Tim so he could tell you a little bit more about Page Electric and how they've become one of the go-to electric companies in Kansas City. So Tim, tell us a little bit more about what makes you guys stand out.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Matt. Yes, so when it comes to electrical contracting or contracting in general, really the end result that you get when you hire us or any electrical contracting company is it either works or it doesn't.
Right.
And so we have just really found a nice niche in the marketplace by being the clean guys. When we walk into your home, our guys, number one, they're going to put on booties. Nobody's walking in with work boots or shoes. We even have booties that we put on the boots of the ladders. And, you know, it prevents us from marking up any hardwood floors or
that makes sense.
Leaving any tracks that where we are. And so we understand, you know, we're in your home. And so we want our clients to see that we've left the place cleaner than what we found it.
That's awesome.
And so our guys walk in, they show up, they're clean cut guys, number one. They're well educated, they know what they're doing, and so that they can answer the questions that homeowners and clients might have about what it is that we're doing, and they know how to explain what we're doing in terminology that the homeowners understand and can feel comfortable with, and just give them a good peace of mind.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Tim, how can everybody reach out to you? What's the best way for them to get to you?
Yes, so phone call is a good one, and our phone number is 816-866-0085. Okay. We also have a web presence, and that's www.pageelectric.net.
Okay.
And then we also are on social media. Facebook is a good one. We get a lot of referrals through Facebook.
Nice.
And we're on Facebook as Page Electric LLC.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Very cool. Now, Tim was able to also put together a special little package for our Hearn Group followers. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yes. So I brought just one example with me today. It's an LED light bulb.
Yeah.
Inevitably, clients will call us out to the house. It might be just a really quick in and out service call, or it might just be to come out and do an estimate. We do free estimates on projects and things that people want to add. So what we've put together is anytime any of the Hearn Group clients call us, whether it's just to come out to do a free estimate or what, we will replace all the light bulbs with LED bulbs in their most used fixture in the house, free of charge.
That's cool, because those aren't cheap.
They're not.
And they last like 20 years?
Yeah, this one here, this particular light bulb has a 10-year lifespan. That's ridiculous. And that's if you're burning it 20 hours a week.
Oh, wow.
So a lot of people are usually using theirs between 8 and 10 hours a week. So yeah, I mean, you're probably right on track there that this particular bulb on average would last probably closer to 20 years.
That's awesome.
And it's going to be saving them, you know, several dollars per bulb each year in utility cost.
Yeah.
And they're not going to have to purchase light bulbs as often.
Right.
And so, yeah, it's a great savings, and it's just sort of a way for us to introduce them to LED technology if they're not already utilizing it.
Yeah.
And save them some money and energy costs along the way.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Tim. And so go and reach out to Tim and Page Electric. Let them know that you came from the Hearn Group. And also, if you could go ahead and do me a favor, if you like what you saw here, go ahead and share the video. Click like or hit subscribe if you want to get updates for every time we have a new elite vendor coming into the program. All right, guys, take care.